Hello everyone, welcome to thlympic. So we are together again and we have 4 new questions for you from social media. So let's start. So our first question is related to ratio of blue area to red area. So here we have a quarter circle, and inside quarter circle we have, this is the quarter circle, so 1/4 of a circle. And it is divided into 2 equal parts because we know that if the chords are equal, the angles are equal. So it means they are 45, 45. And we have 2 equal slices or sectors. And here we have small areas, so pink area. So the question asks sum of blue. If we call this red area as R, and the blue area as B, so the ratio is 2B divided by 2R, this one. And when we simplify 2's, we will find B over R. So first, let's find what is B. As you see, this is a triangle. We know 2 sides are R, so we know the angle. So we can write the area formula using sine area formula. So sine area formula says R times sine alpha divided by 2. So here you can see the formula R sine 45 over 2. So we can simplify this 1 over 2 times R times R squared. Sine 45, if you do not know, please draw an equilateral isosceles right triangle with size 1, 1. So you will see that the sine 45 equals this value. So, and from here, R square this is the final answer. Now, to find the red area is 1 sector minus the blue triangle. So the sector area is, here the formula, whole circle times ratio of the angle, and then we subtract the blue part and we get the red part. So we need to simplify this. So pi R squared. So if you simplify these two, you will get 1 over 8. So pi R squared over 8 minus, we already know what is the blue one, this one. So let's simplify this. So, oh my God, 1 minute. I have a little mistake here. This will be 8. Take a red color. Okay. So pi R squared minus, because we multiply this by 2. Okay, so divided by, this is 8, the red one, and this is 8. So they are canceled. 2 root 2 over pi minus root. Okay, now much better. So now we divide this by this. Since I don't have enough space, I just applied the division rule. If you divide 2 fractions, we take inverse of second one and multiply by first one. So this is first one, this is second one, and we multiply. R squares canceled. These 2 simplified as 2 because 8 over 4 is 2. And we have a root 2 here, 2 root 2 divided by pi minus 2R square. So this is the final answer. In this question, it asks number of triangles. So this kind of question is also common. So I focus on first only this one. So I realized that this is just 1. So then I focus on this part, the top 2 layers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 normal triangles, or we can do like this. This is 1, this is 2, so 1 plus 2, and we have a big one, 3, and we have an inverse one, 4. So from here we got 5. And now let's focus on top 3 floors. So 1, 2, sorry, this one, and 1, 2, 3. Then look at these sized triangles. 1, 2, 3. So sorry for the noise. Okay, so this is 1, and this is 1, 2, and top 1, 3. And now the inverse ones, 1, and these 2, 2. And the final one, so if you realize this, while counting the smallest one, it goes 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the triangles with size 2, it also follows the same pattern, 1, 2, 3, but 1 less than first. And the size of 3 will have the same pattern, but 1 less. Instead of 3, it will continue up to 2. And final, the biggest one is 1. So this is pattern for this directed triangle. So you can call, like, if the bottom is at the top, but if bottom is at the bottom, so down part of the triangle is at the bottom, so it's standing in this way. But if it is standing in this way, the rules are similar. So we count 1, we count 2, we count 3, and we see just one inverse big triangle. So we don't have any other. If you can check and you can spend more time, but this is the only upside down triangle with size 2 to 2. So this is the final triangle. Now if we add all, we got this one, but this is the pattern. So if it is this one is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 to 4 equilateral triangle. If it is 5 to 5, we can follow the same pattern. This time it will continue up to 5, this will be up to 4, up to 3, up to 2, and there will be one more, and here also. This will continue up to 4, then 1 plus 2, and 1. So this question is something like this. Okay, so the next question is an easy word problem. When I was 4 years old, so for all these kind of age problems, the best way is to make a simple table like this. Let's say this is I, this is my brother, and write the first conditions, initial conditions, then write the second ones, then if there are more, you can write them, and then write the equation which connects them. So if I is 4, when I was 4, my brother was half, so divide by 2. Now I am 18, so some people may think, okay, my brother will be 18, so it will be 9, but we should be careful, because when I became 18, how many years passed? So 18 minus 4, 14 years passed. Same years passed for my brother, so plus 14. It will be 16 years old. So this is the final question. The question asks the missing one. So we need to find what is the pattern. So let's focus on the top. If you check the sum of these two, it equals top square. If you check sum of these two, it gives top. If you check sum of these two, it gives top. So this is the rule. When you add bottom two, it gives the top one. So if this is 22, what should be our number to sum up to 22? So this is 10. After we found it, 4 plus what number is 10? We got 6. Oh, I didn't write the answer. So we can write 12 plus, let's call this A, this B. So 12 plus A equals 22. So A equals 12. A equals 10. And 4 plus B equals 10, and b equals 6. So this is the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please press the like button. And if you find it useful, you can share with others too. So see you